I am Natarajan, representing Dolphin Group, and we are associated with Ace Micromatic Group since 2 decades. We are growing. Ours is a growing company, and we started off with one machine way back in 2000, and today our group company has about 100 plus machines of turning, grinding, and machining centers and so on. And we are quite happy with the machines supplied by Ace Micromatic Group. One thing what we have found with Ace Micromatic Group is that it comes with a good heart, and anyone who buys such machines, they are only likely to grow in a bigger way, and you can take ours as an example. And one thing good about Ace Micromatic Group, especially with AMS and AS designers, is that what I have found is my personal feeling is that the people from the lower section to the top management, they are very cordial, and with all of them with a smiling face, they invite suppliers no matter how big or small they are. They pay attention for the smaller details, and so their service is very good, and especially the top management, the gap between the customers and especially the SME customers and the top management is very good. So any budding entrepreneurs, in a lighter mode, I always say whenever I address a gathering, you start off your journey in a garage so that growth and scaling up will not be a problem. And you can see Ace Micromatic Group and Apple and Messing Systems, they all started in a garage.